Let's answer it. Yeah, y'all come along. Everybody follow me, but out of school. Just to follow these rules to multiplying exponents. Lost my homework and my textbook. I couldn't solve it any other way. Hey teacher, can you show me the way? Check the bases. Hey, if they're the same, leave the terms alone. If they're the same, then multiply the coefficients and the exponents. Solve like that. Yeah, you can too. We can never get enough. Oh, everybody, solve it like that. We answer like that. Till the break of dawn, yeah, studying my rules. Whistle as the nerves walk by, if the teachers roll up, so what? Better study hard, cause we're dividing exponents. Lost my homework and my textbook. I couldn't solve it any other way. Hey teacher, can you show me the way? Check the bases. If they're the same, divide the coefficients. Once you're done with that, then you have to subtract the exponents. It's all like that.